Okay students, so in this class we are going to see the classification of ethers. Classification of ethers. See, the classification of a ether is very easy, right? They can be classified into two types, that is symmetrical ethers and unsymmetrical ethers. Symmetrical ethers. Now what is symmetrical ether? Symmetrical ether means the ethers which are same. This is the oxygen atom, right? And to this oxygen atom on the right side, whenever there will be a same alkyl groups, they will be called as the symmetrical ether. देखो ये वाला ऑक्सीजन के इस साइड में अगर CH3 है और इस साइड में भी CH3 है, so it becomes the symmetrical or same kind of a alkyl groups. So such kind of ethers are called as the symmetrical. Now what is unsymmetrical? Now on the right side or on the left side we have a different ethers. So see, this kind of a ether becomes the unsymmetrical ether because on the right side or on the left side we have a different alkyl groups. So this kind of a ether will be called as the particular unsymmetrical ether. So let's quickly see the examples of this. CH3OCH3. What is the name of this compound? Dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Then C2H5OC2H5. What is the name of it? Diethyl ether. Diethyl ether, right? Then unsymmetrical का केस ले लेते हैं, C2H5OCH3. Now here it will be ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl methyl ether. Then we can take one more example, C6H5OCH3. What kind of a ether it is? It is methyl phenyl ether. Methyl phenyl ether, right? So you have to understand this particular symmetrical and unsymmetrical ethers. These are the examples of the symmetrical ethers and unsymmetrical ethers. So my dear student, this is nothing but the classification of the alcohols, phenols and ethers. I hope that your concept of classification of the alcohol, phenols and ether is very much clear to all of you. Thank you very much.